Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the not logged in to Rocket League servers error step by step. This is a common network issue and we can fix it quickly. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections, then click on it. Once it opens, find your active network adapter, double-click it, and select Properties. Now, click on Internet Protocol version 4. IPv4, and then click Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close all the windows. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Once both commands finish, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Rocket League again and the server login issue should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.